Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use Amazon Merch on Demand. This fantastic service allows you to bring your creative designs to life on various products without any inventory hassle. You simply upload your artwork, and Amazon takes care of everything from printing to shipping directly to customers. It's a wonderful way to start an e-commerce business with minimal upfront investment, letting you focus purely on design. Getting started with Merch on Demand is straightforward. First, you'll need to request an invitation to join the program. Once your application is approved, you'll gain access to your personal dashboard. This is where the fun begins. You can upload your unique designs, making sure they meet Amazon's specific content and quality guidelines. Always double-check these to ensure a smooth approval process for your creations. This is the most critical part of the duplication. Enter the Nether portal while holding the shulker box containing your diamonds. As soon as the teleportation animation begins, quickly place the shulker box down on the ground. The timing here is key. It must be done during the portal transition. Immediately after placing the box, force close your game without saving. This means using Alt F4 on PC or closing the application on console or mobile. One of the best parts about Merch on Demand is earning royalties on every sale. Amazon handles all the production and customer service, and you receive a royalty based on the selling price minus their costs. To maximize your success, regularly review your sales data and customer feedback. Consider expanding your product line with new designs and actively promoting your merchandise to reach a wider audience and grow your business.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.